Hey everybody, how you doing? If you've been watching our website, you may have noticed a number of new products have been added to the store. With the 3D printed models, which have been tremendously popular, there's a delay when putting them together because they get printed out and then they're hand painted and there's final assembly and then packaging and shipping. So there's a delay on those, which a lot of people are patient with. But we wanted to add products to the store that there is no delay on. We can inventory them, buy them from a third-party supplier or assemble them ourselves, and there's a very quick turnaround and they go right out. So we have a ton of new products that you can go check out. The store is tailored for people who love the Titanic. That is the point. So there's a ton of products that we've been adding on there, collector's pieces, model kits, and replicas that are tailored for people who are interested in the Titanic and want to put together a nice collection. As you of course are aware, we have the Trumpeter 1/200 scale kits, which our team had a direct hand in overseeing the historical accuracy of it. So we have those, and we now also offer the Pontos upgrade kits, which feature photo-etched brass parts which allow for further detail that the plastic moldings of the kit simply can't achieve, laser-cut wooden decks that you can lay over top of the plastic ones and add further realism to the kit, and additional brass parts such as propellers that will hold up better, and you can even have the option to do a 3 or a 4 bladed propeller. There's a big historical debate over that, so whatever side of that debate you fall on, you can build your model to reflect that. And I'm talking tons of these photo etch sheets, giving you hundreds of upgraded parts to add to your model kit. Another product which we've added to our store lately based on popular request are 3D printed bulkheads for your 200 scale Trumpeter model. These bulkheads were custom manufactured for this specific kit, and they add additional strength and rigidity to the hull as you're building it. It makes it much easier to add the superstructure elements on top of the hull, and it gives you a better peace of mind knowing that the model has been assembled with more structural integrity. If you're feeling wild and crazy, we have the Billings 1/144th Titanic Kit made of wood and metal that you can assemble. This is the largest, or at least one of the largest, Titanic kits that are commercially available. The famous Minicraft 1/350 scale, as well as Tom's Model Works 1/350 scale detail set, the 1/570th Titanic Kit made by Revell and Monogram, the 1/600 Revell kit, as well as the 1/1200 Revell kit. And to mix things up a little bit, we're also offering the Revell 1/1200 Queen Mary II and the Heller 1/200 Le Sirocco Titanic Salvage and Research Ship. This would look pretty amazing alongside your other 200 scale kit, the Trumpeter Titanic. Another new addition to the store are actual genuine wood Oak replicas of various bits of Titanic's architecture.
What I'm really excited to show you today is this Architrave replica from Titanic's first-class grand staircase. This first example is a prototype carved out of red oak, made from a 3D file that will be used in our original and final game, and modeled by Kyle Hudak. But the final product, however, will be carved out of real oak. This exclusive piece uses the same material as Titanic, Olympic, and Britannic. Seen here with amazing detail, with all the fine carvings that would be on the original piece. Another great advantage of the CNC machine is that it doesn't take as long to work with as the hand-painted models that have a very long back order due to its handcraft nature. Other than that, we can also produce wood bases for our 3D printed ships, seen here carved in pine and made to replicate a dry dock design, and it fits very well with our 3D printed ships. We can also make more elaborate designs and even make it out of hardwood like this oak example here. This prototype has carved writings that were also painted to highlight the text. But these are only prototypes that we have been working on. But as you can imagine, the possibilities are endless.
One last thing that I am personally very excited about that's a new addition to the store is we've recently partnered up with a company called HistoBrick, and they focus on recreating things from history out of Lego, out of official Lego pieces. To start off with, they have the RMS Titanic, of course, why wouldn't they? The rescue ship, the Cunard liner RMS Carpathia, and the Edmund Fitzgerald. They're focusing on recreating a lot of ships lately. They have the Olympic and the Britannic coming up soon as well. The Olympic is in her Dazzle paint scheme, and the Britannic is in her wartime hospital ship livery. Those are not available yet, but when they are, rest assured they will be on our store. Because I'm personally interested in these, having made a really goofy Lego Titanic video that went viral back in middle school, I'm going to be assembling and doing a review of each of these on my personal channel. You can check out the link in the description to that video below. These make great additions to your personal collections or gifts to people you know who are interested in Lego, the Titanic, or historical ships. They're available on our website at www.titanichg. Up at the top, click the store option and you'll see a drop-down menu for you to choose from various different categories. The 3D printed ships are still available on our website, as well as various other 3D printed products that don't need to be hand painted, so they come out right away. Those include the Harlan and Wolff Builders plaque and a Lifeboat plaque set. Check those out, they're cool collection pieces. Thank you very much.